What's going on, guys? It is early morning, November 4th. Just got our first frost last night. And this is something that I'm doing with my empty beds right now during the wintertime. I came through about a week or two ago and planted a bunch of garlic. And this has multiple benefits. One, it's keeping your soil alive by growing in it. So it'll be something growing green, picking up the nutrients and using the nutrients, keeping the soil web alive. But as you can see, it's just starting to pop up. Really excited about this. And another benefit is that it stinks like garlic, so it'll actually keep the bugs away in the winter time. Not that there's a bunch of bugs in winter, but the bugs that are there will hopefully go away from all the potent smells. So yeah, I came through, and this is my greenhouse here. These are all 25 gallons and some 50 gallons, and then I got like 100 gallon right here. But I came through, planted a bunch of garlic, and then on my big beds up top, I did the same thing. So as you can see, I got the clover cover crop coming through, keeping the soil alive, keeping a nice protection for the worms from the frost. And then I got all my garlic sprouting up. And this side, I did is all from Costco. It was just a big old bag of garlic that I had. And then this side, I actually got from like a nursery. So I'm gonna see if there's a difference between the store-bought regular garlic and the nursery garlic specifically for planting. So I'll see if there's a difference. So far, not much of a difference. It actually seems like the Costco garlic's doing just as good. So it doesn't cost much. It was like $6 for a huge bag of garlic, and I was able to fill up this whole greenhouse. So keep you guys posted on how it goes. Hopefully I got them established before it's too cold out, but we'll see. All right, you guys, hopefully you're having a good day. Peace.